Tired of the Twilio dependency and complex coding when you just want a simple WhatsApp chatbot? In this video, we'll ditch the complicated stuff and show you how to build a WhatsApp chatbot without using Twilio, in just a few simple steps. First, choose your platform. Several user-friendly alternatives exist that offer visual chatbot builders, drag-and-drop interfaces, and pre-built templates. Look for platforms that directly integrate with the WhatsApp Business API, like Respondio, Chatfuel, or others. Research to find the best fit for your needs. Next, design your chatbot's flow. Most platforms offer a visual interface to find your welcome message, common questions, and possible user responses. Think of it like mapping out a conversation tree, guiding users through the chatbot's features. Drag and drop elements to create your desired conversation flow. Now, automate your responses. This is where the magic happens. Configure keywords and trigger phrases. For example, if a user types opening hours, the chatbot will automatically respond with your business's hours of operation. Create a variety of automated answers to frequently asked questions. Time to test it out. Most platforms offer a testing environment where you can simulate conversations and ensure everything is working correctly. Send test messages to your chatbot and refine your flows based on the results. Finally, analyze and optimize. Once your chatbot is live, monitor its performance. Pay attention to what questions are frequently asked, what flows are most effective, and identify areas for improvement. Regularly update your chatbot to provide the best possible user experience. Boost customer engagement with your new WhatsApp chatbot.